Your listing says generic on Amazon. In this video, I'll show you how to update your brand name. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so first, here is a generic listing right here. So you can see this has the brand name generic. If your brand name is generic, it's not super difficult to change it to a branded name, right? And if it is generic, people can hijack your listing, right? There's no protection. You don't get A+ content, a lot of different things. So you definitely want to change your brand name. And the first thing you need before you change the brand name is you need a trademark. So you need to get a trademark. It doesn't have to be approved. You just need to file a trademark on Amazon. So to do that, if you're doing it in the US, you go to the USPTO.gov, trademarks, and then apply online to apply for a trademark. If you don't know what you're doing, hire an attorney, or you can hire us to do it for you. We do specialize in US trademarks, and we have great prices compared to attorneys. But once you get and you file your trademark, it's time to go to the next step, and that is, for example, changing your brand name. For example, the brand name of this one is Zealous Nutrition, and yes, that's a trademark. So to change it from generic to branded, you're going to most likely need a website, okay? So the website's going to help Amazon trust you. So they're gonna say, what's your website? And your website should be similar to the brand name if possible, right? So if Zealous Nutrition, if I file a trademark and it's for Zealous Nutrition, I should have a website that says Zealous Nutrition and has my product on here, okay? You can even put in more information like the Amazon ASIN, the Amazon UPC code, right? The Amazon brand name. So that way when Amazon checks your website, they're like, oh shit, it's legit. Yeah, you're right. Zealous Nutrition is the website. It has Zealous Nutrition on the packaging, okay? And it's right there. So it has everything there. You might need to add the ASIN. You might need to add the UPC code. So that way Amazon can like triple check it. And that way you make it idiot proof for Amazon. Next step is to take real photos of your product, right? So example is look, we're taking real photos of the product, and on the product, it has the brand name. See? It has the brand name on the product. So I'm taking real photos. They're not like edited. They're not 3D images. They're real images of every section of the photo, right? With my hand in it, bada bing. And once you have this, the last thing you're going to need is an invoice. So if you're the brand owner, you could potentially make the invoice yourself, right? But again, it's just going to be a basic invoice, and just make sure that it shows that you purchased it and everything's good to go. And it should have, you know, the brand name on it, the ASIN, and if possible, the UPC code. So everything matches up. So you gather all that data, and then what you're going to do is submit it to Amazon and say, hey, look, I'm branded. I would like it from generic to this brand name, Zealous Nutrition. Please change it over. Here's my website. Check out this page. Here's a screenshot of my website that shows my product and the brand name. Here's real photos that show the brand name. Here is an invoice that showcases that I purchased it and it's the brand name. And then we did do this for a client. We have a nice little checklist, okay? And then here's an example of what we did. We've recently registered our brand, bought it, and then the brand name, Zealous Nutrition, with Amazon Brand Registry. Now we want the brand name to be on all 3 of our listings. We're unable to change it ourselves. Please help. And we gave them all the information that they needed. Then we chatted with them, and this did take 10 days. After 10 days of going back and forth with Amazon, they finally said that someone from Teresa at Amazon said, I have implemented the updates, but it will not be visible for another 24 to 48 hours. And bada bing, just like that, after 10 days, they got their brand name changed from generic to Pronine Memory Plan. So we were able to do that for this client. And there wasn't any issues because we have a checklist and we've done this plenty of times. If you need help with this, you can feel free to contact us. We have a checklist. We're going to triple check. We have everything we need, and then we'll get your brand name changed. Now, sometimes it takes 10 days. It can take up to 60 days to change a brand name on a listing. It just depends how busy Amazon is and what type of rep we get. But that's it for today's video. Want more Amazon listing tips? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you on your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, changing your brand name, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we'll manage your inventory. We'll change all the brand names for you. We'll call Amazon, do your customer service, advertising, design, and of course, increase your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, dealing with these issues and calling Amazon for 10 days straight. We'll keep the cases open, we'll solve the issues, and of course, help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.